Hey wizards, today I'm going to show you how to draw this eye step by step. We will start with the basic outline, that is a guideline, kind of like a parallelogram. From there, we will start the upper eyelid and the lower eyelid. Next, let's draw the iris. Make it round and add the pupil inside. Leave a small white spot for reflection so the eyes looks shiny and natural. Now we will move to the eyebrow. First make an outline and then carefully shade it in. Now shading the iris. To blend, I use the brush. When shading with charcoal, I use a blending brush. It helps smooth the texture and keeps my hands clean. Because charcoal can get really messy, so be careful while working with it. Finally, let's draw the eyelashes. Be careful with the direction. They should look clear, smooth, and end with sharp tips. That's it. Our eye drawing is complete. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.